Hello friends, welcome to Hinds Guru. So today we'll be studying three important derivation laws from physics from the topic rotational dynamics. अब ये तीनों में से एक 70% या 80% बोल सकते रहता ही है. कोई भी बोर्ड पेपर्स आप चेक कर लो रहेगा ही है फॉर 12th स्टैंडर्ड. सो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है and here it will be explained in a very simple way, very easy way in Hindi and English. Both the languages will be covered so everyone can understand it. प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा. तो अभी टेंशन नहीं लेना है, बिंदास पढ़ो और चैनल लाइक सब्सक्राइब करो और फॉलो करते रहो. ओके, सो लेट्स लर्न. So kinetic energy of a rotating body half IW square. So first we consider a rigid body any shape rotating about some axis with fixed velocity w, angular velocity. Then we take 3 points. There are n points. So for diagram 3 are enough. M is mass, V is linear velocity, W angular velocity. M1 R1 distance from the axis and linear velocity. So accordingly show it in the diagram. Each point has a different linear velocity, but all the points have a common angular velocity. The whole body rotates with W. So W remains same for all of them. Then we consider the first point. Explain it for the first point. Kinetic energy, the basic formula half mv square. For the first point we say m1 v1 square. Then for rotational motion we know linear velocity is equal to r into w, distance into angular velocity. So this I substitute here. So I'll get r square w square. R is the first point. So r1 square w square. Similarly, it will be applied for second point, third point, n points. Then total kinetic energy, add all of them, sum of all the kinetic energies. Once we add it, you will notice half and w square. These two quantities are common. So this will be the separate quantities for each point, m1 r1 square, similarly till n. Then the last step here, if you notice, this is mass into distance square for all the particles. Sum of mass into distance square, that is nothing but moment of inertia. So this entire bracket, all the n values, they are nothing but I. So here I will substitute I. So I will get half I w square, which is the required formula for kinetic energy of rotating body. Torque is equal to I alpha, inertia into angular acceleration. Similar diagram to the first one. This is angular acceleration for all the entire body. So all points will have a same angular acceleration but different linear acceleration a1, a2, a3. And these are the notation: mass, linear acceleration, angular acceleration. Again same way, take the first point F1, force acting on the first point or the first particle, force, mass into acceleration, and acceleration is R alpha. So A1 will become R1 alpha. Then torque, basic formula, force into distance from axis of rotation. So F1 R1, just consider the first point, focus on the first point only, and then put the value, take the value of F1, M1 R1 alpha into R1 gets multiplied. So finally it becomes M1 R1 square alpha. This F1 substitute from here. Similarly, torque 2, torque 3, torque n for n particles. Total torque, summation of all the torques till n. Then if we add this, we notice alpha is common. This quantity, this is again nothing but mass into distance square for n particles. Sum of mass into distance square, that is again inertia. So it becomes, replace this with I alpha. Torque is equal to I alpha. Again this is 3 steps. Angular momentum L, inertia into angular velocity, L equal to IW. So again take a rigid body, same जैसे फर्स्ट में किया, फर्स्ट डेरिवेशन में. और 3 पॉइंट्स ले लो, m1, m2, m3, r1, r2, r3 डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द एक्सिस, each has its own velocity v1, v2, v3 and angular velocity will be common, सबका कॉमन रहेगा w, the whole body, full body rotates with w, so mass v, linear velocity, angular velocity. अब देखो फर्स्ट पॉइंट, linear momentum, mass into velocity, v1 velocity is what, r1w, ये पता है हमको बेसिक, for rotational v equal to rw, so just replace it over here, ये आ गया आपका फर्स्ट v equal to rw, so m1 r1 w. then angular momentum, whenever angular word आ रहा है multiply with the radius or distance, so linear momentum into r1, so we know p1 ये था m1 r1 w into r1, m1 r1 square w. similarly l2 l3 ln, n particles, टोटल चाहिए, ऐड कर लो सब, l1 प्लस l2 प्लस ln पूरा ऐड कर लो, ऐड में देखो सी व्हाट इज कॉमन हियर, w इज कॉमन, सो m1 r1 स्क्वायर m2 r2 स्क्वायर, और ये w कॉमन हो गया आपका, w कॉमन, और ये तो कॉमन चल रहा है फॉर ऑल द लॉज प्रूफ्स, दिस पार्ट सम ऑफ ऑल masses into distance square for n particles is nothing but inertia, so ये inertia हो गया आपका, IW आ गया, so angular momentum is equal to IW.